How to change brightness on your Roku TV just on your device right now. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's start this video without any further delay. As you can see, this is the step-by-step tutorial on the official website of Roku TV. You have to press the home button on your Roku TV remote. Then access the main menu to start the process. Once you press the button, you will see Roku TV's main menu. There you can navigate various setting and options. Step 2 is select setting from the main menu and move to the next step in adjusting your TV's brightness. In the setting menu, you will find a list of options that control different aspects of your TV, including system updates, network setting, of course, the picture setting. Now move to the third step, that is TV picture setting. Locate the specific setting for brightness adjustment in the TV picture setting. Submenu, you can tweak various aspects of your picture such as contrast, sharpness and color in addition to the brightness. Yes, this is the final step. You can simply make the screen brighter or darker as needed. When you select the brightness option, you can usually adjust it using a slider or by selecting preset options like brighter and darker. Find the level that's comfortable for you and your eyes, that suits lighting in your room. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.